Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA as we are heading into the daily candle close here. Just a quick update because ADA is pushing into resistance right at this moment. It's not a very interesting chart, to be honest, at the moment. ADA has been for a long time now really been in this very slow sideways sell-off kind of thing. In my opinion, an ending diagonal in this fifth wave here. I talked about targets in the previous video for a new low in the region between first 26 and then 22 cents. That seems likely at the moment. It's a 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal. If I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see that, oops, 1 second. You can see that in this wave down, in this fifth wave, just down here, we are forming 3 waves. A, B, C. That at least seems likely, and the C wave is probably currently unfolding. And my view is we've seen a wave 1 down. We're possibly still in the wave 2. There should be a wave 3, wave 4 and a wave 5. So that is how I would like to see it work out ideally. It would then follow here this yellow wave count. And I think it's quite likely wave 2 is still unfolding, yeah, the way this develops. The movement that occurred from the 21st of November low here at around about 29.5 cents, all the way up here to 32.3 cents on the 26th of November looks corrective. And therefore my expectation remains that this here is most likely a wave 2. Now this wave 2 can move a bit higher still, no problem. It could move all the way up to the 78.6% fib level. That is at 32.4 cents. That's not a problem at all. It's actually quite a likely target for a wave 2. Only above that it will get less likely that it's still a wave 2. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised to reach here 32.4 cents, but if we get above that level, we need to consider something more bullish. Yeah, and this would get even more important if we break above 33 cents. So key resistance is 33. We are currently also trying to push through a direct resistance level that is here at 32 cents. It's all these swing highs we're currently trying to push through. I think if we can do that, then we can get quite quickly to the 33 cent level. But as I said, if we drop, or if we take a look at the 78.6% fib level, then before we get to 33 cents, the 32.4 cent level will be relevant as well. Okay, so that would be the bearish count. That means we can push a bit higher and then most likely will get rejected to the downside. We broke out of this triangle to the upside. That in itself doesn't necessarily mean much. What really needs to happen now is to break above this resistance level. Now, and what happens if we move up higher? Yeah, is there a bullish count? What would be the bullish count, and what would be the effects? So yes, it could be a bullish count. I did have it on the chart before. Took it off because I find the immediate sell-off scenario more likely. At least ADA hasn't really shown us any, let's say, bullish signals that we can consider with high confidence. Therefore, for me, the focus is still on the downside. In terms of upside possibilities, yes, we can say that we had a wave 1 here, leading diagonal, a wave 2 to the downside, and we're now in the third wave. There'll be a fourth and a fifth. And within this third wave, we have also seen a wave 1, a wave 2, and so we would be moving higher now, okay? So be aware of that. Target for this white third wave here, you know, if this bullish potential plays out, and I would see it as more likely if we break above the 33, it's not exactly 33, it's actually 33.2 cent level. But in terms of a target for this wave 3, we're talking about 33.9 cents. Okay, so just that you know how a bullish count could work out as well, but it's not that reliable, the bullish count on this chart. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.